and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we are going to be making the French Manhattan out of David Leibovitz's Drinking French book. This is a pretty simple cocktail. We just have to stir it and strain it into our chilled coupe glasses, and it has cognac, sweet vermouth, Grand Marnier, and some orange or Angostura bitters. So I'm going to go ahead and get mixing. So I'm going to have my cognac. I'm going to once again be making a double batch as usual. So it's going to seem like a lot. Try not to spill this time. That, and then we have our our sweet vermouth, which we are almost out of, but we do have enough for this recipe. That's great. And then our Grand Marnier that we kind of broke the stopper on last time we used it, we're going to go ahead and use up. Well, use as much as we can for this. Yeah. Gotta make sure I'm getting the right amount. There we go. There's no other sugar in this, so you're getting all of your sweetness from the vermouth and the Grand Marnier. And we're going to get a few dashes of this orange bitters. Ours is orange and fig. And we're just going to stir this up. Until it's nice and cold. And strain it into our chilled coupe glasses. And get them roughly equal. There we go. And then we garnish with a maraschino cherry. We have these Luxardo cherries, which are really delicious and very expensive, but we can find them at a local, at a grocery store around here. You can order them online if you cannot. And there we go. That is it for our French Manhattan. I'm going to take a little taste. It's really good, not too sweet, a little hint of orange. And otherwise, I think the vermouth has a lot of the flavor in this. It's pretty good. I enjoy it. So if you enjoyed watching me make this, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch me make something else next week.